Hello and welcome to the Melt-to-Make Formula Calculator app. This app is your key to consistently producing high-quality, accurately formulated gummies. The Calculator app is located in the Resources section of our website, and from here you can get started by creating an account. Once your account is set up, you'll be able to create, save, and manage your formulations all in one place. In the Formula Calculator section, you'll find calculators for melt-to-make gelatin, gelatin pectin blend, and classic and sugar-free pectin. You'll also have additional tools like the gummy weight calculator and the wax coating calculator. In the resources section, you'll find a cost analysis calculator to help you identify your savings when using melt-to-make gummy bases. For example, if you're making your products from scratch with multiple raw ingredients, this calculator will show you how much you can save when utilizing melt-to-make. You'll also find a melt-to-make flavor and color usage guide. This is where you'll find suggested usage rates for all melt-to-make flavors, flavor enhancers, and colors. And a melt-to-make recipe library for inspiration and reference. You can use this library to quickly load recipes into the calculator of your choice, giving you a solid starting point for your formulation. Before you start formulating, we highly recommend determining the weight of your gummy first. You can calculate this with our gummy weight calculator. To get started with a batch, you'll first need to determine the type of gummy base you'll be using and navigate to that specific calculator. Then, you can begin by entering your batch name, total batch size, and weight of each gummy. On the calculator, the line waste will be automatically set to 5%. Although this is our general suggestion, you may experience more or less line waste depending on your methods. Adding additives is where you'll enter the potency and target milligrams per gummy for each active ingredient. You can find this information on your lab results or certificate of analysis. As you enter these details, keep an eye on the total additive content cell at the bottom of the calculator. It updates automatically as you build your formulation. If this cell turns red, it means your formulation exceeds our recommended limit. This doesn't automatically mean your formula won't work, but it does indicate that you may want to contact our technical team to discuss the feasibility of your formulation. Some additives can also impact pH, structure, or overall integrity of the gummy base, so we encourage you to reach out if you're unsure about how certain ingredients may interact. Next, you'll add bulk flavors, flavor enhancers, and all natural colors to your batch, if applicable. As you begin typing a melt-to-make ingredient into these fields, the calculator will auto-populate the available options for you. You'll then adjust the usage rate based on the flavor profile you're aiming to achieve. The calculator provides a suggested usage range as a guideline, but the final amount is up to you, allowing you to fine-tune the flavor to your preference. Once your batch details are entered, the formula calculator takes over. At the bottom of the worksheet, you'll see the exact amounts of each ingredient that you'll need. You'll also see the estimated number of gummies your batch will produce. If you want to produce a larger batch, simply increase your batch size and the calculator will automatically adjust all the ingredient amounts accordingly. Once you've finished formulating your batch, you can save, export, or email your formulation directly from the calculator. If you choose to save it for future use, all saved formulations can be found in the Saved Calculator tab. From there, you can easily reload a previous formulation back into the system and make any adjustments as needed. If you have any questions about the Melt-to-Make Formula Calculator, please don't hesitate to reach out. Your success is our success, and we're here to help with every step of the process.